Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified of all my upcoming videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. So today we are going to do a quick evening routine, makeup removal routine. I actually got this, it's the SOO'AE. Anyways, it's a unicorn glow hologram mask. It says, here's what the back says. It is a unique double-sided black charcoal and hologram sheet. Charcoal helps to detox and purify skin. Plant extract delivers and nourishes skin. So it is masking day for me today, and I got a ton of masks from my sister for Mother's Day. So thanks, Cici, for giving me this, and of course, products for me to try for all of you, my viewers. But I'm gonna go over my standard evening routine, makeup removal routine, take off all this excess makeup off. Is like somewhat glam today. So of course I am using the Garnier Skin Active Deep Pore Facial Cleanser. I just got this and I'm in love with this product. But of course, before I do that, I'm going to use the BURTS cleansing oil that I talked about in my products I love video. This we're going to use first. So if you're seeing this lovely little headband here, not sure if you were a follower from 5 years ago, but when I first started my YouTube channel, let's backtrack some more. I'm a huge fan of Jeannie Mai. She was my fashion idol, icon. She wasn't even that big back then. I think she at the time she was host for How Do I Look, and she had this huge concept on wearabee. So it's basically colors that make you feel a certain way, and I loved her concept. So she did this contest, and this was part of the contest. I actually won it. It's the first time I've untied it, because she sent it to me. We actually chatted over Facebook Messenger when I won, and I didn't untie it because it was like the shape of her head. So she wore it in her video, which I will link down below so you can check it out on the MyTube. So if you're wondering about this little baby, and it's so cute, it took me forever because I'm not like a big headband person because I think my head is too big. It is wire on the inside. It is not straight up cloth, which makes it so much easier. And I put it on to hold my hair, my little baby hairs and everything back for my makeup routine. Oh, also just a quick announcement. You can't see it because I'm too short or whatever, but I am wearing a CCB Glam shirt. It says beauty and lifestyle vlogger. I have changed it to beauty, lifestyle, and family vlogger because I am a mom, and I wanted to go ahead and cover that as well. I thought it was important, especially since I'm an adoptive mom, and I will be selling merchandise soon. So, and it says in the back, let's see if I can turn around. It says hashtag sassy, sexy, sophisticated with the YouTube logo. I will be selling merchandise soon, so if you like the whole hashtag sassy, sexy, sophisticated, definitely let me know in the comment section below. So let's get right into it. Again, using the BURTS cleansing oil per Patrick Star. This is a must for your evening routine. On dry hands, you're just gonna pump. When applying this product, I really like to work the oil into the skin. As you can see, it really is easy for the makeup to come off. You can see when I rub over my eyes, it just wipes away. It is that easy. You don't need to rub hard, rub gently, and just make sure you get as much of that makeup off as possible. So now that's done, and I'm going to rinse this off. Now I have rinsed it all off. Of course, you can still see makeup and stuff on there, and of course I'm gonna go through all, like you can see like the eye makeup, mascara, and that's important to remove. You must remove all makeup. I'm gonna go in with this Garnier Skin Active Facial cleanser. And what's great about this, it's made without parabens, dyes, silicones, and it's sulfate free. So we're gonna massage this in. For filming purposes and because I'm blind as a bat, I left my contacts in while filming this routine for you guys. But if you're a contact wearer like I am, you must remove your contacts prior to doing any of this process. It is not good for your contacts. Make sure you foam up this product really good to remove any excess dirt off your skin. So now I'm gonna go into the bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and use some of it over my eyes because I can't do that in front of the camera. Rinse this all off and we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, now it's all rinsed off. I can't see, it's bothering my contacts. Okay, my face feels good, it feels clean. However, you can see the leftover residue of the mascara and the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my ALMAY makeup, the ALMAY makeup remover towelettes. This is to remove any excess from your face. It's also it's gentle enough to use around your eyes. Again, very important. Even if you're really drunk and you went out and had a really rough night of partying and whatever, you need to take off your makeup. Too many times I hear people complain about their skin. Why doesn't my skin look good? Well, maybe because you don't take off your makeup every time. And you know, you do know that leaving on your makeup all the time enlarges your pores. So I'm using this towelette and I'm going to wipe. I'm going to show you the way I wipe, so maybe that'll help. When I remove makeup around my eyes with the towelette, I try to do this as gentle as possible. I'm very weird about and sensitive about my eyes, so you want to go ahead and try to get in there, but do it gently. Don't rub too hard. Please don't injure yourself, and make sure that you are getting any excess mascara, eyeliner off as much as possible. I typically do not use the same towelette I use to remove my eye makeup. I use a new towelette to remove the remainder makeup off my face. I have wiped everything off. There was nothing left on the towelette, which lets me know that I have removed as much makeup as possible. So I'm good to go with using the mask because you really don't want to do masking with a dirty face. So I'm moving on to the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. And the instructions say to clean your skin thoroughly, apply toner and serum if necessary. Place the black side down on the skin, adjust to fit comfortably around the eyes and contour the face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove the mask. So I'm going to apply this now. So opening this up, opens up pretty easily, and this is what it looks like. It's very wet. And the black side is the one I'm supposed to face down on my face. Put down on my face. Now I'm gonna be using the viewfinder, so don't like look at me weird and be like, what is she doing? It's really cold. Really cold. Perfect. Don't it? Alright, okay. Alright, so I'm nice and fitted, and I'm gonna go and wait 15 or 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes. I think I went over. I think it's been 20 minutes. We're gonna take this off now. Now it says not to wash off, but we'll see. Okay, here it is. Here's the back side. Woo. These masks are always so fun. You know, if you not a big mask person, you want to do it for fun when you're hanging out with the girls. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is supposed to brighten and detoxify. I like to massage it in some more. So I think this is good to leave on. If it says not to wash off, I wouldn't use this to put on in the morning and then leave it on throughout the day. I did that with another mask and it was just sticky and gross, and I like about an hour into it was like, ugh, I have to wash it off. If you're going to bed and you're okay with sleeping with this stuff on, great, and then wash in the morning. So that's what I've been doing with these type of masks. I've been washing off the jelly, like whatever this stuff, whatever that is. So the plant extracts. But that's what I've been doing when I get these type of masks. I put them on at night and sleep with it, then wash it off in the morning. So that is it. That is my evening routine for removing makeup. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel or you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified of all my upcoming videos. You can also check me out on all my other social media platforms for more behind the scenes of what goes into making my videos. Also, you can find me on patreon.com if you want to show more support so I can create more amazing content. Go ahead and become a patron member on patreon.com/ccbglam. There will be more exclusive content only for Patreon members and more videos and photos of my content there. Also a rewards tier, which I think you will find very beneficial if you become a patron member. So as always, stay sassy, sexy, and sophisticated, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Good night.